Barbara Vazquez. I go by Barb, and I'm a software engineering manager and developer as well at Planet. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Puerto Rico. I have been working in the geospatial industry as a software engineer since 2008 when I moved to the DC area. And I have been living, right now I'm in Maryland, but I've been in the DC area since then. I joined Planet about 3 years ago in 2017, and I'm part of the web applications team. We build some of the tools that help people have easier access to our data. The main thing that, if you're familiar with Planet, is an application called Planet Explorer. If not, go check it out, planet.com Explorer. Now, what I'm gonna talk about today, it's about agile development and estimation. It's mostly focused because I'm a software engineer and we do agile development at Planet. And these are some tips and things that might be useful for people doing agile, even if you're not doing agile. Thinking about estimation and how much something will take you to do is useful on a day-to-day. But with further ado, if you've done agile development and you do the daily scrums or the daily meetings, you've had these thoughts, you know, what are points? Why are people asking me so many questions, so many times, when will it be done? Why do I have to give status every day? And it can get tiresome, and you might just want to flip the table and say, this is not what I signed up for. This is not why I want to do software engineering. But through the years, I've learned that it can work in your favor. It can actually help you be more organized and communicate better, you know, to have less stress. So estimating with points. If you're not familiar with Agile or points is a system that tells people, mostly managers, how difficult you think a thing is and how long it will take you. But in my perspective, yes, that's one benefit, to tell your manager when things will get done, but it will help you be honest with yourself. Can I really do this? Is 2 weeks enough? Or however long you have to develop something. That doing the mental exercise will get you in a better spot where you might not need to pull all-nighters. If you have to work weekends to meet your deliverables, you're probably signing up for too much, or you might be underestimating what is being asked from you. In Agile, the way it works, you sign up for work and you have X weeks to do something. I'll use our example. We do 2 weeks of development. If after those 2 weeks, every time you're rolling over things, rolling over means that you did not complete it, that means something is wrong in the process. It's not necessarily you, it's a team thing. It's being underestimated. Scope creep happens. You're midway, you're almost done, and then somebody's like, did you think about this? What about you do that? And you go on a tangent and you forget about your original goalpost. Or the biggest one that nobody wants to admit is you probably don't have enough information. But how do you tell your manager that you don't have enough information? Shouldn't you be able to do it on your own? Not really. That's what the whole point of Agile and team development should be. And points are there to help you communicate that. How to start doing better estimates. One thing I do with my team is ignore numbers. Just give me t-shirt sizes. Small, medium, large, or extra large. Extra large. Can I do this in 2 weeks? If it's an extra large, no. It probably needs to be broken apart. You probably need to talk more about it. A large size will probably take me the 2 weeks. I'm threading there on borderline, not completing it, but let's give it a shot and let's see how it goes. Medium, I can get this done. I don't know how long it will take me. It's definitely gonna be more than a day, but I can get it done. And small is, I can do this with my eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Those are that's my rule of thumb when I go to do estimates. It's give me a sense. How do you feel this is? so that we can have that conversation of how long it will take. As soon as you do this mental exercise, you'll get in a better habit. You'll start recognizing better, I don't have enough information, or this is super easy. Why am I even thinking about it? Let's get it done. So once you get the t-shirt sizes down, you can map this to whatever point system your team uses, if that's the preferred methodology. A lot of people use the Fibonacci sequence, where it's 1, 2, 3, 5, up to 13, where a 13 is the extra large equivalent. So these, once you get used to and you're like being able to do t-shirt sizes, you can move up to doing the point systems. In any case, even if you don't do Agile, thinking about your tasks in t-shirt sizes can help you think about difficulty, can help you keep yourself organized and just do that mental exercise of what do you need to get done that week. The other point, 2 points, no pun intended, is keep in mind your other responsibilities. Add some buffer. You might be able to sign up just keeping with the example, 2 medium things, because life happens. Add some buffer. COVID has taught us that life is unpredictable, and your normal cadence is not the same anymore. Distractions happen. You might have family at home. Take that into consideration as well when you're doing these estimates. And the other point, the other thing to think about with points is it helps you negotiate. It helps you make sure priorities are clear of what needs to be done first versus what needs to be done later. If your plate is full, whether it's with actual tasking, if it's with life, use the points to help you drive conversations. I can only do so many medium stories. If I sign up for one more, I will definitely roll it over because that's what I've learned. And in the end, having slightly more predictable cadence is valuable for everybody. And again, I say slightly because life happens and we cannot be 100% predictable, but we can get there. And that's all I have. Thank you, everybody. I know we don't have time for a Q&A, but that's my email, barb@planet.com, if you want to reach out, or we can talk later.
We could all be stars. I said that tonight. We could all be stars. I said that tonight. We could all be stars. I said that tonight.